Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Arsene Wenger! Well, Arsene, how does this compare to what you've witnessed in all your time at Arsenal Football Club?
It's absolutely amazing, and our players are great, but our fans are even greater. They show it again today. And on behalf of everybody at the club, I would like to thank them really deeply. We realize how much they love our club, and we are grateful for that. Thank you all. Have a nice summer. Come back to support us next season. Thank you.
Arsene, you've now lifted the FA Cup more than any other Arsenal manager, and you've equalled a record as well. 5 times now you've lifted the FA Cup. How does this compare to the other ones that you've won over the years?
Well, this was the most wanted one, and in the end as well, maybe the most difficult one. And we had to fight very hard, but this group of players has shown great mental strength through the whole season. They've gone through some difficult times, and they always recovered, responded, and I think the club can be very proud of what they have achieved through the season.
And Arsene, obviously we have the stadium, Emirates Stadium here. How important is it to get that first trophy in our wonderful home?
Yes, for a while I thought that's a curse, that you can't get anything in there, but now we have started, we don't want to stop anymore.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, Arsenal manager Arsene Wenger! Thank you, Arsene. Congratulations. Thank you.